Spring is finally here, guys, and I am so excited. It's a time when we get to enjoy our flowers and spend a lot more time in our outdoor living spaces. It is also a time of rebirth. Aren't these baby birds absolutely adorable? So with that being said, in today's video, I'm going to be giving you an invite to our Spring Front Porch Refresh Open Collaboration. My name is Marlene. Welcome to Marlene's How-Tos, my home and garden channel. So I will be joined by 8 co-hosts. We have Penny, we have Deborah, we have Katrina, Classieandra from the UK, we have Mary, we have Andrea with a new channel, we have Prameela from Australia, and we have Roselin from JMom Creations. And this is open, so anyone can join us, whether as a creator or as a viewer. We would love to have you. And as you can see, the date there is on April 5th at 5:45 p.m. Eastern Time. And you can do so many things in this collaboration. If you like, you can make a wreath like I did here with those nice spring colors. If you have furniture that you figure need to get a little refresh, your outdoor furniture, you can always maybe paint them or do different things with them, maybe like planters, just repurpose them and all of that. If you have new furniture, you can always show us, how you arrange them with your plants or whatever you may have outdoors. We just love to see all of that. If you are a DIYer and you wanted to show us like a step-by-step of how you maybe made a wreath for your door using spring flowers like I have done in the past, then you can definitely join us with that. Show your own style, and we certainly would love to see it. In this case, I had used a grapevine wreath. And if you're someone who likes to plant flowers, which I already do, you can go ahead and plant some flowers, and that's what I will be doing. And right here, this is some petunias that I had planted last year, and they were so wonderful, just to give you an idea. And if you ever wanted to try these, they're quite inexpensive and they are long lasting. So I would say definitely yes, plant some flowers, mix and match, and just beautify your spring porch. And we would love to see what you're going to do with that. And if you're someone who, doesn't want to necessarily plant flowers yourself, then you can just, arrange stuff from your garden center like this beautiful arrangement here, and just show us how it matches up with everything else that you have on your spring porch. We welcome all the various designs, and I'll be linking the channels below, so be sure to check them out and subscribe to their channels if you'd like to do so. If you are someone who does like clean with me motivations, you can clean and show us what you're doing. There's so much pollen and dust out there right now, so we would certainly love some motivation on that regard. Bear in mind that if in your area it is still not 50 degrees or more overnight, then don't leave your tropicals out yet. Hold off a little bit on those types of plants. But yes, we definitely welcome the cleaning motivations as well. And my channel is a gardening channel, so if you love gardening, you love flowers, be sure to hit the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell, so that way you never miss an upload. Be sure to use the hashtag that we have here. It's hashtag SpringPorch23. We would love to have some gentlemen join us as well, to show us their style as to how they decorate, their front space. Or if it's a balcony for an apartment, we'd love to see that as well. And I just wanted to say that, I do live videos. They are freestyle most Saturdays. We'd love to have you join in. It's more relaxed and laid back. We talk about things that are topical and seasonal, and you can always tap on my channel icon, go to the live tab and take a look at the previous ones that we have done. They're so much fun. So I'm looking forward to seeing as many of you as possible. Again, it is open. You're welcome to join us, whether as a creator or as a viewer. We would certainly love to have you. I hope you have a happy spring. And thanks so much to my sister for these beautiful baby birds that she had on her front door wreath 1 year ago, or a few years ago actually, and they're just so adorable. So thanks so much for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in this wonderful and fun spring collaboration. Take care.